today we are showing a new collection which will start from rupees 250 only. और इस पे COD अवेलेबल है, ऑनलाइन पेमेंट अवेलेबल है, शिपिंग फ्री रहेगी एंड GST फ्री, और COD पे 70 rupees will be extra for COD. So let's start our collection. Our first collection is this black color kurti, beautiful kurti with this gota patti work. I will show you fast. This is in cotton rayon material. Please take screenshot. Only in rupees 250. Next is this beautiful in red color kurti with this golden print. This is all gota patti work. This is a length. Please take screenshot. In rupees 250. Next is this multicolor kurta, beautiful kurta in pure cotton. This will cost you rupees only 250. Next जो रहेगा हमारा, this is also in pure cotton kurti, beautiful kurti in just rupees 250 only. Next kurtis are high-low kurti. This is a high-low kurti and with this magenta tassel in rayon. This will cost you rupees 250 only. Next is this rust color kurti. This is all embroidery over there. Sleeves इसमें आपको मिलेंगी. This will cost you rupees 250 only. Next is this black kurti with this golden foil print. Beautiful black kurti with 3/4 sleeves in pure cotton. This will cost you rupees 300. Next is this red kurti with beautiful pearl work. This will cost you rupees 300 only. Shipping will be free. Online payment and COD is available. Next is this beautiful orange and green kurti with this parrot tassel, just in rupees 300. As you can see the length. This is a back. Please take screenshot. So next we are going to start a palazzo set in non-brand, which is will cost you rupees only 650 rupees. This is the first piece. Very beautiful foil work, as you see, and this is a back. Back पे भी आपको पूरा print मिलेगा with this lower, as you see. Please take screenshot in just rupees 650. Next जो हमारा आएगा beautiful. This is green color kurta. This is green color kurta with the foil mirrors. And this is a back. और इस पे भी आपको प्लाजो पे ये पूरा आपको वर्क मिलेगा. This is all work in just rupees 650. And next is this beautiful royal blue color with this all work. This is all work on a print. नलकी work रहेगा ये. This is a length and this is a printed plazo with this. This will cost you rupees only 650. XXL size is available. Next is this beautiful kurti with the foil mirror with the foil work. This is all golden foil work with this plazo. Plazo पे भी आपको पूरा foil work मिलेगा with the magenta and the blue color combination. It's a beautiful, and this will cost you rupees only 650 rupees. Next is this green color in rayon. XL size is available. Beautiful print. As you see the length of the kurti. This is a plazo trouser. This is not very loose. This is a plazo trouser which cost you rupees only 650. Next is this one single A-line kurti, beautiful flare. As you see, beautiful flare this is, and this will cost you rupees only 650, pure cotton. Next is this SKT, only small size is available. That's why this is only for rupees 650. This is SKT, beautiful motif work on the print, and this is a trouser with this beautiful print. As you see, this is all over print with this dupatta, chiffon dupatta in small size. This will cost you rupees only and only 650 rupees. Next I will show you the branded kurtis which will cost you rupees only 550 rupees with free shipping. So this is a print in cotton. This is with gota patti work. Beautiful kurti in just rupees 550. This is a brand. Next is this beautiful print in cotton. ये भी आपको cotton में मिलेगा with this beautiful gota patti work and a stone work on it. 3/4 sleeves. This is the back in this brand in just rupees 550. Next is this beautiful kurti. As you see, beautiful peach color. This is the peach color. This is the length. This is in rayon fabric. Please take screenshot. This is all in branded, which will cost you rupees only and only 550 rupees. This is also in this brand, and this is a cotton fabric. Next is this beautiful sequin work. As you see, this is beautiful sequin work in the wine shade. This is a double tone fabric in this brand. This is a back. In rupees 550 you are getting this. Next is this beautiful rose flower print in this turquoise blue color. This is a look, cream color on the turquoise blue color. Next is mauve color kurti, beautiful mauve color kurti with a flowery print, which is very soothing for a summer season. As you see, beautiful stuff, because you are getting in brand, so stuff is very beautiful, very comfortable. This is also in this brand, only small size is available. This is also printed, this is not a work, this is a print, and this is also very beautiful work here. This is all stitching work, this is not a print, this is a look, beautiful kurti. Next is this beautiful kurti. As you see, this will also cost you rupees only 550 rupees. This is also in pure cotton, beautiful gota work here, and this is a look. Next is this beautiful cream color kurti with the silver linings. As you see, the silver linings with this gotapati work, and gotapati work is also on the neck, and this is the sleeves. This is also in brand. Next is this is you are getting in Shree brand, beautiful kurti in rayon fabric, only medium size is available in this. Next is this W brand kurti, beautiful geometric print, sizes all available. Next is this beautiful Shree kurti, which is A line. This is a back, this is also in rayon. Next is this beautiful kurti in a frozy color and a white color combination, very soothing print. This is a back, this is in a pure cotton, and as you see the price is available here. Price tag is available with all the kurtis. Next is this magenta color, beautiful magenta color with the lehriya, which you are getting in brand. This is a brand, and this is a back. This is also in pure cotton. Next is this blue and white kurti, beautiful print with in a beautiful brand. This is full length आपको मिलेगी इसमें. This will cost you rupees only and only 550, which will give you a free shipping. This is a Avasa brand, and this is all foil print, very beautiful kurti. This is on a dusky pink color with a golden, very decent combination. Next is this magenta color, which is available in Shree brand. This is a look, this is a back. Next is this beautiful kurti with a very beautiful work, and this is a back. Back is also same. We have lot more to show you, but we show you only sample pieces. Please take screenshot. Next I will show you the branded sets and the gown. So this is our first gown, which will cost you rupees only and only 600. Only single piece is available. This is assortment, beautiful gown in large size only. This is a back in silk. This is available. This is in a Shree brand. Next I am starting the plazo sets, which will cost you rupees 700 only, and this is a starting beautiful print in cotton with this beautiful color plazo. This is pure cotton with this gotapati work in just rupees 700. This is available. Next is this beautiful red color print kurti in rayon fabric. This is with this plain plazo, very beautiful combination. Length आपको पूरी मिलेगी इसमें. This will cost you rupees only 600. Shipping is free and COD is available, and online payment is available. This is the same but I have weared. Beautiful kurti with this white plazo. Sizes are available. Beautiful bandhani work is there. आपको जो है brand में you are getting very beautiful prints. Next is this beautiful print on a frozy color. This is all gotapati work is here with the stone buttons. This is the length of the kurti. Length आपको पूरी मिलेगी, and this is with this plazo. Beautiful color combination, frozy with this. This is a dark pink color actually. This is not a maroon color, and this is beautiful red and black and maroon combination with this stone work. ये भी आपको brand में मिलेगा. This is a brand with this black color plazo in cotton fabric. This is a pure cotton fabric. Next is this mustard color with this beautiful flowers. As you see, this is a beautiful gotapati work with this flowery print, and this will with this magenta color plazo. इसमें भी आपको पूरी लेंथ मिलेगी with this 3/4 sleeves you are getting in just rupees 700 only. Next is this beautiful printed shirt. This is also a pure cotton with this pant, grey color pant, printed grey color pant. This will cost you rupees only and only 700. Next is this beautiful cream and maroon color combination. This is all patti work on it, and this is a trouser. Beautiful print in cotton only. Next is this silk plazo set, which is in this brand, as you know, and this is the gotapati work. This is the back. This is a plazo. Plazo में भी आपको पूरा गोटा वर्क मिलेगा. This is the front. This will only cost you rupees 700. Next is this beautiful color. This is in this brand, and beautiful print. As you see, maroon color पे ये golden work रहेगा, and this is a plazo. Plazo भी आपको fully printed मिलेगा, front and back from both side. Please take screenshot. Next is a designer piece. This is a gown. This is a 2-piece gown actually. This is all zari work is there, and this is also in brand. This is 2-piece. This is a back पे. This is a long shrug actually. This is a long shrug. This is a 1-piece, and this is a second. This is a designer piece in just rupees 750. Next is this beautiful gotapati work gown. This is in this brand. Brand में आपको gown मिल रहा है beautiful in just rupees 750. Next I am showing you SKDs in a brand. So this is in this brand. Beautiful cotton में रहेगा ये, बांधनी work it is, and with this plazo. Beautiful cotton, pure cotton में रहेगा ये. This is a plazo print, and this is a shirt print, and this is a dupatta. Dupatta is also in cotton. ऐसा नहीं है कि stall दुपट्टा आपको मिल रहा है. This is all दुपट्टा. width पूरी मिलेगी आपको. As you see, cotton में मिलेगा ये आपको पूरा pure cotton में रहेगा सूट in just rupees 750 only. Next is this beautiful foil print. This is also you are getting in brand. Beautiful foil print. Back and इस पे पूरा रहेगा, back पे भी रहेगा, and this is trouser पे print. This is also with a pure cotton dupatta, rayon dupatta. Sorry, this is a in rayon dupatta. इस पे इसकी भी आपको देखोगे पूरी length और पूरी width मिल रही है. This is a width with tassels आपको मिलेगा in just rupees 750 only. Next is this beautiful white color. This is also in brand. White color rayon suit है actually ये. This is a trouser. This is a shirt. इसके साथ भी आपको pure cotton में दुपट्टा मिलेगा. This is a pure cotton दुपट्टा. ये आपको brand में मिल रहा है. This is not non-branded. This is branded. Next I am going to show you some samples of boutique pieces which I have. And this is a kurti, beautiful kurti, which will cost you rupees only 500. This is with a front cut. This is a front cut, and this is the back. This is all boutique pieces. Next is this grey color kurti with this zip with band collar. This is a designer neck on the back side. This is in georgette, and this is all work. This is all nalki work is on a thread work. This will all cost you rupees only and only 500. And this is a beautiful kurti with this all thread work, as you see. And this is a back. Back पे भी आपको पूरा work मिलेगा with this beautiful round neck on the back. This will cost you rupees only and only 500 rupees. And next is our boutiques plazo set. Beautiful peplum plazo set. This is a plazo with this all zari work is here, and this is also with the zari work. This is all back. This will cost you rupees only 800 rupees. Next is SKDs. This is a shirt. This is all work. This is all thread work. This is not a print. This is all thread work with the lining आपको मिल रहा है. With the 3/4 sleeves. With this silk trouser. This is with trouser. And this is a chiffon dupatta with this. दुपट्टे की भी लेंथ और विड्थ आपको पूरी ही मिलेगी. In just rupees 800. Next is this blue color shirt. This silver आपको पूरा work मिलेगा इस पे. This is with salwar, so this is a short shirt, एंड दिस इज अ बैक. बैक पे भी आपको पूरा थ्रेड वर्क और पूरा ये वर्क मिलेगा. स्लीव्स पे भी आपको मिलेगा इसका वर्क. एंड दिस इज विद सलवार. एज यू सी दिस इज सलवार विद दिस वर्क आपको मिलेगा. दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल स्टोन इज देयर. दिस इज अ सलवार. ओनली सिंगल पीसेस are available there. Almost every piece is sold. And this is with this beautiful dupatta. This is a chiffon dupatta. This will cost you rupees only and only 800. Next is this beautiful sharara set. This is also a boutique piece with this silk fabric. This is all work is here. As you see the shirt, back पे भी आपको same work मिलेगा neck पे. And this is with sharara. This is a sharara. This will cost you rupees only 1300. 1300 में आपको ये पूरा शरारा सेट मिल रहा है विद दुपट्टा. दुपट्टा आप देखोगे इसका ब्यूटीफुल हैवी दुपट्टा मिलेगा. डिजाइनर दुपट्टा. कलर कॉम्बिनेशन इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. एज यू सी दिस इज अ बैक. वी ऑल्सो हैव अ लहंगा. दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल लहंगा. दिस इज अ चोली. चोली पे भी आपको ये पूरा सीक्वेंट वर्क मिलेगा विद अ सैटिन. आपको ये मिलेगा लाइनिंग. This is a lehenga, beautiful lehenga with a beautiful color combination. As you see, this is a beautiful color combination with a pearl work आपको मिलेगा. This is a back and this is a front. पूरा आपको भरा हुआ लहंगा मिलेगा. इन फिश कट में रहेगा ये. This is with this beautiful blue color tassels. This is a back. और इसके साथ जो दुपट्टा आएगा, this is with this दुपट्टा, heavy दुपट्टा. आप देखेंगे दुपट्टे पे भी आपको पूरी ये लेस मिलेगी with this pearl work. लेंथ और विड्थ आपको इसकी भी पूरी ही मिलेगी. ब्यूटीफुल फ्रोजी दुपट्टा. एज यू सी द लुक ऑफ द लहंगा. दिस इज द लुक ऑफ द लहंगा. दिस विल कॉस्ट यू रुपीज ओनली एंड ओनली 1500. इतना हैवी पीस यू आर गेटिंग इन जस्ट एंड ओनली रुपीज 1500. सो नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू सम प्लाजो. दिस इज अ सैम्पल प्लाजो. Very beautiful sample plazo. This is flowery print. As you see the length and width, this will fit to 3XL तक size तक आ सकता है ये. This is a back. Beautiful stuff for a summer season. और ये आपको with pocket मिलेगा. This is with the one pocket. This will cost you rupees only and only 300. And this is a skirt which is in brand. Beautiful color. This will also cost you rupees only and only 300 with the foil print. इसमें दो ही कलर अवेलेबल रहेंगे. दिस इज अ ब्लू कलर. दिस इज ओनली अ सैम्पल पीसेस. दिस इज ऑल्सो इन ब्रांड. ब्यूटीफुल ब्लू कलर. ओनली रुपीज 300. नेक्स्ट इज दिस प्लाजो. दिस इज अ डिवाइडर एक्चुअली. एज यू सी द विड्थ एंड द लेंथ. ये भी आपको 3XL तक फिट हो सकता है. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो इन ब्रांड. दिस इज ऑल्सो इन ब्रांड. दिस विल कॉस्ट यू रुपीज ओनली 399. दिस इज ओनली अ सैम्पल पीसेस. दिस इज इन ब्यूटीफुल प्रिंट एंड विथ ब्यूटीफुल फैब्रिक. दिस इज ये भी आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ 399 में ही मिलेगा. दिस इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्रिंट विद अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल फैब्रिक. नेक्स्ट आई विल शो यू सम अनस्टिच सूट्स which I also have some samples. This is in glaze cotton, beautiful frozy color suit with the sleeves. This is a back. Back पे भी same आएगा with this दुपट्टा. दुपट्टे की लेंथ भी आपको full मिलेगी in chiffon and this is a bottom in frozy color same. This will cost you rupees only 600. And next is this beautiful peach color with this thread work, all over thread work. Very decent color with this दुपट्टा. दुपट्टे पे भी आपको ये thread work मिलेगा. This will also cost you rupees only and only 600. Next is this very beautiful elephant sequin work. As you see, this will cost you rupees only and only 600 also. And this is a length. This is a dupatta, very beautiful dupatta with this. This is dupatta with this shirt and this is a bottom. Bottom आपको पूरा contrast में मिलेगा. Very beautiful piece in just rupees 600. Next I'm going to show you in Chanderi. Chanderi में this is beautiful orange color. Very bright color for a summer season, and this is all thread work is there. This is also stone work. This is all thread work. This is not a print. This is with this shantung stuff, and this is the lining and a bottom also. This is very beautiful chiffon dupatta with this. This will cost you rupees only 700. Next is this. This is a Chanderi also. There is a gotapati work is there, and this is a piece. There is a lining and a bottom with this. and this is a dupatta with this designer dupatta. This will cost you rupees 750. नेक्स्ट इज ब्यूटीफुल वाइट कलर, गोटापट्टी वर्क के साथ मिलेगा आपको ये भी. दिस इज अ सिल्वर कलर एक्चुअली. इसके साथ आपको लाइनिंग और बॉटम दोनों का कपड़ा मिलेगा. दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल वर्क, गोटापट्टी वर्क. दिस इज अ बैक. दिस इज ऑल शर्ट एंड this is a dupatta. This is a silver color, not a proper white color. This is a bottom and a lining with this. This will also cost you rupees only 750. Next is this beautiful dupatta with a mirror work. This is a mirror. This is not a foil mirror. This is a mirror. Beautiful dupatta. This is a bottom and this is a shirt. Shirt पे आपको पूरा thread work मिलेगा. Beautiful thread work. This will cost you rupees 750. This is a dupatta. Very designer piece. Very designer and boutique piece. Next I will show you t-shirts which will start from rupees 250. This is from 250 starting. Beautiful t-shirts. This is a designer shirt. This is a crop top in just rupees 250. Small size and medium size वाले ही लें इसे. Next is this beautiful top. Turquoise blue color in just rupees 250. Viscose material. Next is this beautiful color shirt, crop shirt है ये, and this is a shirt which will cost rupees 350. Beautiful shirt है with this beautiful sleeves. Now I'm going to start with the 350. This is also in 350. This is available in large sizes. This is a back, very beautiful sleeves in just rupees and 350. Next is this. This is also in rupees 350. Beautiful सा ये white color में top है. Next is this is in 300. Beautiful shirt with this. This is a sequin all over here. This is in 300. Very beautiful dress. This is a bag in pure cotton आपको मिलेगा. This is in 300 in medium size t-shirt. Next is this beautiful shirt in just rupees 300. Next is this in just rupees 300 shirt. Next is this long top which will cost rupees 400. Beautiful long tops in rupees only 400. This is a dress as you see in rayon fabric. This is only for rupees 400. Beautiful top. Size is big. XL तक आपको ये आ सकता है. This will cost you rupees 400. ये सब जो भी मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, this is only rupees 400. This is also in 400. Beautiful print. This is a dress in 400 only. With this zip closure आपको मिलेगा. This is a beautiful top. Floral print. This is the back. Size is large or XL available. Next is this beautiful black color top. Size is large and XL available. Only rupees 400. Next this is a dress. इस पे आपको पूरा thread work मिलेगा. This is all thread work is there. This is the back. You can wear a shrug over it if you don't like to wear with the spaghetti straps. This is a beautiful party wear dress. This is all sequin is here. This is also cost rupees only and only 400 rupees. Next is this beautiful top with the polka dots. Only rupees 400. Next is this long top, kurta style. Only rupees 400. Next is this beautiful top. This is the back. 400 rupees. Next is this long dress with a side slit आपको मिलेगा. With this dori, you can adjust it according to your size. This is also very beautiful top with a beautiful print. This is in Rangriti brand. This is a double layered. This is a inner and this is a upper. This is in Rangriti brand in XL size in just rupees 400. Next is this. This is available in XL in just rupees 400. Next is this beautiful print. This is also very beautiful print. I'm just showing you samples because I have lot more to show you, but I can't क्योंकि वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी. This is all costing rupees 400. As you see the print, beautiful prints. Next is this beautiful long dress. This is a short dress, sorry. Next is this beautiful print. Just rupees 400. Next is this beautiful print in just rupees 400. Next I have this beautiful dress. ये भी आपको सिर्फ 400 में मिलेगी. This for a beachy look. You can wear it. Beautiful dress in rayon fabric. Next is this. This will fit up to 3XL size. Next is this, only for rupees 400. So this is all our collection which I have showed. So if you like something, please take a screenshot and send me to my WhatsApp numbers. And GST is free, shipping is free, online payment and COD is available, but it will charge you rupees 70 extra. Thank you so much for watching my video.